Hi students, this is Vishnu Megala. I am the biology teacher. మీరు 8th class to 10th classes, 8th, 9th, 10th ఈ 3 classes చాప్టర్ వైజ్ గా క్లాస్ వినాలనుకుంటే మికుల్ మేకల ఛానల్స్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు రెగ్యులర్ గా నోటిఫికేషన్ పొందాలనుకుంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మికుల్ మేకల ఛానల్. ఈ కోవిడ్-19 ఎఫెక్ట్స్ తో ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ వినే విద్యార్థులకి 8th, 9th, 10th 3 స్టాండర్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఎవరైతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుంటారో వాళ్ళకి నా అన్ని వీడియోలు కంటిన్యూగా వెళ్తుంటాయి. ఇవి మీకు ఎంతగానో ఉపయోగపడతాయి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మికుల్ మేకల ఛానల్. Hi students, this is Vishnu Megala. I am your biology teacher. Today onwards, I will explain biological concepts in 8th standard. Here, in 8th standard, first chapter is what is science. It is a first chapter in our 8th standard biology. In the chapter, we can learn different types of biological concepts. In science, different methods, different ways are there. These steps, methods, ways, principles, laws, these all are very useful to find the truth, to search the truth. This chapter gives us basic principles, basic concepts in the science. What is science? Topic. In this topic, first we have to know what is science. Science means science is an organized study of knowledge which is based on experimentation, as well as science is a tool for searching truths of nature. Science is the way of exploring the world. We can define in different methods. Science nothing but searching for a truth. It is a way exploring the world. These all are correct only. In this topic, how scientists are find truth, what methods they are following, we can learn from this chapter. Okay, science nothing but it is a systematic organizing study of knowledge based on the experimentation, or it is a method searching for the truth. It is a definition of the science. It's fine. Why science? Why it is need for us? For this question, in the society, different types of peoples are there. Here, in that people, we have to discuss about the scientists who are or who's one or who are having scientific enthusiasm or scientific thinking. Those people thinking way is different. So the individual perspective, all people may not having same type of interest, all people may not having same type of thoughts. The everyone individual, they having a specific perspective, they having a specific thinking. Based on their interest, they choose a topic. for research. What purpose they are doing research? Why it is useful to us? Because of the every scientist, they are produced different types of principle, laws, phenomena for the social perspective, for the society benefits. They are finding truth, they are discovering facts in their research. Here, science and change. Science is a history of corrected mistakes. In hundreds of years, some of the scientists, they may be proposed their hypothesis. Later, those hypotheses may be true or false, they don't know. At that time, society may be believed that hypothesis. But after hundreds of years, that phenomena, scientific phenomena, what they are proposed in their first time, that one may be false, may not correct in this time, in this situation, or in different situation, that scientific phenomena, it may be not correct. That's why science is always get changes, science and changes. It's not constant, it get a constant changes. Science is a history of corrected mistakes. Scientists observe the nature and its laws. Scientists follow a specific way for their innovations. The way that they follow is called scientific methods. Scientists they observe nature and laws. Later, or based on their observation or after the observation, they are follow a specific way. What purpose they are follow a specific way? Further innovation, further discoveries. They are following a specific way. The way that they follow is called scientific method. What way they are followed to find truths, what way they are followed to search the truth, that method we are calling as scientific method. The scientific method follow these steps. It means everyone's scientific method have few steps. In that, one of the steps is observe and asking. Scientists are, first of all, they are observing the nature and laws. Based on their observation, they are framing some of the hypotheses. What they are observed, based on their observation, they are framing hypotheses. That's why observe is one of the step where in scientific method. Not only observe, after the observation, in their mind, number of questions will be rise. That's why observe and asking question is one of the step in scientific method. Later, another one step is form a hypothesis based on their observation. On that observation, they are formulate a opinion. They are framing a opinion. That opinion may be right, may be wrong. They don't know. Without experimentation, what they feel, what is their opinion. After the observation, they are framing a opinion in their mind. That opinion were treated as a hypothesis. It is a second one step in scientific method. Scientists are following few steps in their scientific method. In that, first one is observe and asking questions. Second one step is form a hypothesis. What is meant by hypothesis? Based on their observation, based on their experimentation, what is their opinion, what is their feel on their observation, that one were considering or were treated as a hypothesis. Sometimes that hypothesis may be wrong, may not be wrong. We don't know. By the observation, by the experimentation, just they are framing a opinion. That one opinion were treated as a hypothesis. This hypothesis, sometime it may be correct, sometime it may be wrong. We don't know. Before the experimentation, based on the observation, what they are having a thought in their mind, that one opinion considering as a hypothesis. This hypothesis sometime may be true or correct, sometime may be wrong or false. We don't know. The third one step is plan and experimentation. Okay. Third step is plan and experimentation. What is their hypothesis? That one hypothesis they have to prove. Scientists are following scientific method to prove a specific truth. For that, they are observing one situation, and number of questions will be raised. Later, based on their observation, based on the questions, they are framing a hypothesis. That one framed hypothesis or formulate hypothesis, they have to prove. For that, they are making a plan. Based on the plan, by following the plan, they are conducting experiment. That's why plan and experimentation is a third step in scientific method. Okay, later, fourth one step is conduct the experiment. Before the conduct the experiment, what they are did, just framing a plan. They are framing a plan. What purpose? To conduct the experiment. Later, they are conducting the experiment. This is fourth step. Okay, after the conducting the experiment, they may be get a result. That one result, based on the concept, they are draw a drawing and communicate the result. This is the fifth step. Draw conclusion. What is the result in the experimentation? That result they may be draw a conclusion or write the conclusion and communicate the result. What they are get in that experimentation, that one result they are sharing with their friends, or they are sharing with their colleagues, or they are sharing with their other scientists. That is, communicate the result. By following these 5 steps in scientific method, scientists are trying to prove the universal truth or universal facts. This is a brief view on the scientific method. Once again, everyone should concentrate on this topic. In 8th standard biology, first lesson is what is science. In this lesson, just we can learn basic principles in the science. These principles we are seeing in different types of science: biological science, physical science, chemical science, computer science, whatever. The our one science definitely is having few principles, few basic concepts. What purpose these basic concepts, laws, rules are useful? To find the truth. First of all, we have to know what is science. Science, nothing but science is an organized study of knowledge which is based on experimentation. Not only that one, we can define it as different way. Another one is science is a tool for searching truths of nature. In the nature, truth is there, but we don't know. That one truth we have to find. How we can find? By following a tool. Science is a tool. What purpose that tool is useful? Searching the truth. Where is the truth? In the nature. Nature having truth, but we don't know. That truth we have to find. How it is possible? By using a tool. What is tool? Science is a tool. That's why we can define science is a tool for searching truth. Where? In the nature. Then we can define in different way. We can define science what in different ways. Another one way is science is the way of exploring the world. This is another one. Okay, it's fine, sir. Why science is need to us? Why science is need to the world? Because of in the world, different types of people are living. They are having invisibility. unique nature. All type of people may not having same type of thinking in their mind. The individual perspective, person to person way of thinking is different. Based on that thinking, they are doing their research work. So individual perspective, what purpose they are doing that research? Societal perspective. Okay, scientists or other people, what purpose they are doing a work to produce the productivity. Society wants some productivity. Society depend on the productivity. That may be technical productivity or agricultural productivity, whatever, educational productivity, whatever. Who's going to produce that productivity? Scientists. How they are producing? They are having a unique nature, they are having an individual perspective. Based on that, they are producing different rules, laws, principles, formulas that is useful to the society. That's why we can considering as, we can finalizing as the social perspective. Science is need. Science, it get changes. Science get constant changes because of thousands of years back. So thousands years ago, some of the people, they may be proposed some of the hypotheses. That hypothesis may not correct in this situation. That's why science is a history of corrected mistakes. Scientists observe the nature and its laws. Scientists follow a specific way. That one way we are treating as a scientific method. That scientific method having 5 steps: observation, asking, form a hypothesis, plan and experimentation, conduct the experimentation, draw conclusion, and communicate the result. These all are different basic concepts in the chapter What is Science chapter. Up to here should be enough. Tomorrow I will continue for the remaining topics.